Hello everybody, my name's Yuki. I'm the newest intern here at J29 Creative, and I want to share with you my top 3 tips for staying consistent on social media. Tip number 1, always have a plan or strategy. I recommend sitting down as a company or sitting down with yourself and looking at the next couple months, planning out what you want to do, what's your message, and which channels you're going to push this message through. Strategy is key, and it's my number 1 tip for staying consistent on social media. Tip number 2, find tools out there that will help you execute to the fullest. Social media can take a lot of time, and if you're doing everything very manually, it can drive you nuts. So I recommend finding the best tools out there to help you schedule, create content, and be able to create consistency with your social media message. And my last tip on staying consistent with social media is that, guys, this is a long game. This isn't a short-term exploration to see if social media works. Social media is a great way to connect and build relationships, but you've got to be prepared to look at results within a year. This isn't a 3-month nor even a 6-month plan. Be ready to stay consistent, and again, have a strategy that will last at least into a year. The more you do social media, the more it works for you. So those are my top 3 tips. Keep on running, keep on checking. We'll talk to you later. Bye.